Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Ricoh SP100 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. You can go to any web browser that you like. In a search, type Ricoh SP100 printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.ricoh.com official website of the Ricoh printer. Here we find our printer name FECO SP100 download or any link that you want. Always open the first link. Open any link that come first. Open the first link. And official website of the Ricoh printer is open. Here we find the FECO SP100. Scroll down. Here we find Microsoft Windows 10 and 64-bit. If this bit is not right or Windows operating system is not right, then click on choose other OS or click on this printer driver and download it from here, or choose other OS and scroll down and click on the Windows at this point. If Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. If Windows 10 32-bit, then click on the Windows 10 32-bit. I click on the Windows 10 64-bit. Here we find the printer driver. Click on the printer driver. Download. Click on the download and download is started at the top. If asked for the keep, then click on the keep, and after that go to the downloads. Click on the show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and there are two ways to unzip this setup file. This printer driver are actually zip file. First, I create a new document on the new folder on our desktop. Right click on it, click on the new, click on the folder and give any name. I give you can give any name to that folder. After that, there are two ways. First way is to unzip. Right click on it, click on extract files. This is our first way. Second way is double click on it or right click on it and click on the run as administrator. Both are same. Click on the yes, and here we find the unzip process. Here we find unzip to folder, and it's by default unzip in a temp file I want on the desktop. So I click on the browse, go to the desktop. In a desktop, here we find my folder. I select my folder, select your folder, click on OK, and here we find unzip folder location is changed. Click on the run WinZip or unzip. I click on the unzip. You can also click on the WinZip. I click on the unzip, click on the OK, close it. Here we find here we find this one, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install that driver. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner, wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, click on the yes, close it. Here we find many options in add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find any port name USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you want and click on the next. Click on hard disk, click on browse, go to the desktop. Here we find one folder or your newly created or extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find one single file. Select that file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find Ricoh FECO SP100 DDST. Okay, this is our printer. Select that, click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same name. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install our printer drivers on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our printer is installed. If you want to share in the network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, scroll down, and in printer list, if you find Ricoh SP100 TDSD or the whatever your printer name is, that means your printer is properly installed in a Windows 10 PC or laptop and it's work 110% in Windows 10. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.